Okay, hello, my name is Adrian. Welcome to the channel English with Adrian, helping you to expand your vocabulary, increase your confidence, and speak like a native Englishman. So, let's have a look at this subject-verb agreement, how it all works together. You see, in English, the subjects and verbs must agree within the sentence. They can't be clashing. It can't be say one thing and mean the other. They have to work together. So they have to have like a singular agreement and they have to be cohesive and all make sense grammatically. Otherwise, you're not talking sense. So some subjects can act like a singular or plural nouns, depending on the rest of the sentence. So some subjects can be either singular or plural, depending on the context. So look, books and works of art use singular agreement even though they are plural in spelling. So look, we can say Star Wars with an S first came out in 1997. Even though it's got an S at the end, we still talk about it in terms of singular because it's a name of an art, name of works of art. The Lord of the Rings was published in 1950s. Rings is plural, but we use the singular in the sentence because it's a book. Same with Star Wars. Star Wars. It's even though it's spelt plural with an S, it's used in the singular context because English is a bit weird that way. Other nouns that end in S have singular agreements because they are place names, subjects, or academic subjects. Chinese with the ESE is a foreign language. The Netherlands with an S is another country. Interesting stuff. Yeah. So regardless of S or not, in terms of nouns, or in terms of the subject of the sentence, it's treated as a singular. And the Netherlands is a country. What else is there? The Koreas. Koreas is on a continent. What else that ends with an S, you think? Greece, Greeks. Greeks live in Greece. Greeks live on the Mediterranean. Egyptians are from Egypt. French. Germans are from Europe. Book-wise, what else we got? Books. Moomins. Oh yeah, the Moomins. Moomins. Moomins is a film. Yeah, Moomins with S, but still, because to talk about it as a subject, it's a film, singular. Yeah. So even at the end in S, it gives singular agreement. But interestingly, collective nouns have a singular form, but refer to a group of things and talk about them as a whole. Okay, so collective nouns have singular format, but we refer to the group of things and talk about them as a whole. In the US, they normally use a singular, but in the UK, we use plural or singular. So each body is unique. There's all these bodies out there, but we refer to them individually, and we refer to it as a whole. Bodies, body. Each body is unique. The family, even though it's a group of people, 10 people, 5 people, 2 people, the family, plural, arguably, the families, but the family, singular, is, singular, growing. The family is growing. The family is going on holiday. The family is travelling. We always talk about the whole of the subjects, even though they can be divided, furthermore, the father, mother, and beyond, we use it as a whole in the singular format. The family is going on holiday. The company is making a profit. The company, YouTube, any company, Microsoft, Apple Hospitality REIT, Gladstone Investment, Stag Industrial, the company is growing. Good. The company. We could say the department is growing, sales, marketing, leases, tenants, stuff like that. Balance sheet is changing. But the company, even though it's a whole, like a group of things, we talk about them as a whole, we use the singular form. We talk about it together, but we use singular. The company. The company. What else is there? The party. The party is very lively. Ooh, the party has got a lot of music. Party has got a lot of alcohol. It's fun. Yeah. We could even say the team, the football team. The football team is playing tonight. The team won. Our team won. The team is beating them 2-0. Yeah, they're doing pretty good tonight. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that? So, but remember also, subjects and verbs must always be in agreement. There can't be some clashes or conflicts or contradictions. It has to make sense. Has to make sense. Remember, S. Books and works of art. Star Wars. The Lord of the Rings. And nouns end in S have a singular agreement. Places. Places. Subjects, academic subjects. Yeah. Yeah. However, if you want to keep learning English, expanding your vocabulary, and increasing your confidence, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest videos and uploads. Until then, bye for now.